Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only
you can see it is then another problem. Okay, the same thing, but it is another way. So the problem you can see, like, so debugging this box. So what is the problem? When the number is divisible by 5, it should print buzz. So it's okay, right? So but the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, it should print fees buzz, and if it is printed by 3, then it should print fees. Okay, so everything is okay, but what the problem is that the code will run, but what the problem is when I'm running it, see something, see 3 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 5, right? So why it coming fees buzz, right? That is the error, right? So 3 is not divisible by 5, right? So when both are divisible by 5 and 3, then should it come, but 3 is not divisible by both of them, right? So, and you can also see the 6 also not divisible by 3, right? So 4 is also not divisible by, that's why it's also printing 3 fees, it's not, and also printing 3 number. So that's the error. See, it giving a fees and also giving me a 3. Okay, so there's the thing. So we have, and also it is given as a hint that there is more than one fix error required. Okay, so let's think. So let's pause the video and you can think. Okay, so let's start with the solution. Okay, so first you can see, instead of or I can write and instead of this thing I can print elif, and instead of print this elif. So I think now it will run. Okay, so I think I have to see. Okay, so sorry, okay, I will just again run this. The thing is, it comes as a sound. Okay, so 71, 28. So you can see from there. Okay, so you can see from 1. So it's 1. Okay, so now see 1 and 2. 3 is not divisible by 5 or 3, so that is why it's fees. So 4 is not divisible by 5 and 3, so it is printing as fine. So the 5 is also printed by 5, right? Divisible by 5, that's why it printing buzz, and 7 is not divisible. So, and again 6, so 6 is divisible by 3, right? So that's why it's giving me 0 fees. And when 7 is not divisible by 3 or 5, so that's why it's printing the number. 8 is also the same case, so all is fine, right? So thank you.
always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know